What's up, y'all? So it's been a long while since I've messed around with paper mache. I think the last thing I worked on were these donut glasses, which are hanging on my wall here behind me. I love these, they're awesome. But I saw this bag in my room and I've been doing some Minecraft related content, and I had this idea to craft my very own Minecraft sword out of paper mache. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but I really want to try it, so come along with me for the journey. Alright, so this paper mache is quite easy to work with. All that is needed is a bowl and some water. So here, I'm going to pour some in. I don't really know how much I'll need, but whatever. Then I have to mix it all up and it creates this dough slash clay-like consistency.
It's like a pizza.
Okay, I am just now realizing I probably should have planned this out better. I need a mold. Yeah, okay, so the sword is made out of little squares, right? So I basically just need something in a big square or rectangle that I can cut into smaller squares and then build the sword out, right? So I ended up finding these box tops that are all roughly the same size. Let's hope this works out. So here I'm putting parchment paper underneath just in case so that the paper mache doesn't stick to the boxes. Next, I'm going to try my best to evenly distribute the paper mache dough onto my mold here. Hopefully I get a good solid consistency when it dries. And now we wait. Ugh, alright, I'm super impatient, y'all, so I'm just gonna help it dry faster with my heat gun. I love this heat gun. It has helped me in so many projects, in so many ways. My feet are always super cold too, so sometimes I use it to warm my toes. Okay, here are the dried up molds. Let's see how they come off the box tops. And perfect. Wow, I'm actually super impressed. I did not have high hopes for this at all. All right, now what I need to do is calculate about how many squares I need. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 squares. Okay, whew. So I'm going to make each square about 1 by 1 inches just because that seems like the easiest thing to do with my ruler here. If I end up needing more, I'll just slap on some more paper mache onto a mold, whatever. Alright, we're all measured up. Now I'm going to use my kitchen knives to cut them up. Let's hope that they come out nice. Would you look at that? Amazing. So here are my 84 paper mache cubes. I'm going to sand these down with this sandpaper that I had in my garage, and then I'm going to need to paint them, and then finally I can start assembling and putting together my very own Minecraft sword. Okie dokie, so here are all my painted pieces. I'm going to be using hot glue to put them together. I really hope that it holds well together. If not, I'm going to need to come up with something else, and I have no other ideas, so fingers crossed that this works. And here it is. I am gluing the final piece here at the tippity top. Look at that, y'all. This is so cool. I did not expect it to look so good. I am so happy with how it came out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should I do more paper mache things? I kind of really liked it. I love reading what you all think about my art and my art projects and all of my silly little DIY crafts. So please don't forget to like this video and click the share link if you would like to see more of my shenanigans. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a beautiful day.